Today, as highly requested by Ben Willingham, I'm going to be making a vegan sandwich. Now, my mum has freshly mowed the lawn. I mean, harvested vegan material. And yeah, we're going to be making a sausage sandwich with HB sauce. So first, I think we're going to start off with the bread. Let's get it into shape. Make it look like it's actual bread. It's close enough to a square. Pretty much. Oh no. Right.
No. You need to get 3 hangers and hang some.
So yeah, that's that. Now I'm gonna roll some vegan sausages up, and I'll see you when they're done. So they are sort of rolled now. Here's one. So I'm gonna put that on there, and that on there. Now you can see it's like a merging into one. It's gonna make a vegan sandwich, and I will take a bite out of it at the end. So I'm gonna make sure there's no really disgusting parts in it. Not actually vegan. So yeah, then we need to make the brown sauce. Now, this is going to take extra skill. So I'm going to have to grab the brown sauce in our hand, shuffle over, and I'm going to have to, like that. Oh, look at all that. Look at all that brown sauce. Oh, look at that. That is like perfect. I will be putting this out of the sun in a moment. Right, I'll separate the two sausages. Oh, all the vegan brown sauce is getting on my fingers. All of it. So, then, I'm going to grab the next slice of bread. And we're going to just plonk it on top. I'm going to shape that. Put that in like that. Okay? And I'll put this in the shade now. So, the vegan sandwich has fallen about a bit. I hope you can see it better. So, yeah. Got the vegan sandwich. And part you've been waiting for, as well as a face reveal on the channel. I'm going to be biting this. Yeah, thank you for 17 subs. Even though, like, 2 of them are me. Well, one's my dad, one's me. Oh God, right. I'm Ginger. Oh, lovely. And I would suggest that you try it yourself. The recipe is in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, vegans. Oh God, I have to turn my phone around. Yeah. No, it's that way, yeah. Peace, vegans. V for veganism. #vegans. Yeah, vegan grass.